How's it going, everyone? We are out here on our favorite lake, Cedar Creek Reservoir, out here in East Texas. Super excited to be back out here. It's been almost a year since we've been here. It's our favorite lake in the world, but we typically only get to fish it a few times a year just for the tournaments, just because it's far enough away from home that we don't typically come out here aside from tournaments and practice. So super excited to be here. This is for Bass Champs this week. This is our official practice day. And then 2 weeks from now, we'll be back here again for the Brandon Belt show team series. So really excited to have 2 big tournaments on the lake in the same time frame. This is our favorite time of year to fish out here, end of March, early April. Pre-spawn, late pre-spawn, a little bit of spawning fish going on, and sometimes even some post-spawn fish. So, and Ian's already hooked up. Massive hybrid. God, what an intro. Yeah. That's a big hybrid. So yeah, we're out here practicing for Bass Champs.
A lot of fish out here.
And hopefully we find some bass that look like that. So y'all stay tuned, it's gonna be a good one. Right there you go.
Okay. What? Why? I think I like it.
Yeah, maybe so. But you don't have to shampoo or like, what's it called? Gosh, right. Shaving cream. Power washer. Yeah. Not that big, but it's strong. It's a solid keeper. Alright guys, first keeper of practice on the chatterbait. Surprise, surprise. Nice, solid, healthy.
And there's a
Nice, solid, healthy fish. We gotta let him go though so that our competitors don't see. Hi, bud.
net?
I don't know. He looked decent when he jumped. Yeah, that's not bad. I'll show you. Ah. Quit. All right, got a secondary pattern now, ladies and gentlemen. Another decent keeper on the Carolina rig out in, what are we in? 12?
10.
Huh?
10.
10 feet of water out here on the main lake offshore. Carolina rig fish. Not bad. Take that. See you, bud. Thank you.
Well, that was fast.
Megan, you want to get the net? Sure. That's a good one. All right, that's all we need to see.
We're gonna be all right.
I still don't know what crankbait that is, but I just throw it.
Now you have confidence in it.
It looks like a Rosh. They're popping.
Yeah. Better fish. Nice 3.5. There we go.
Okay everyone, so as you guys saw, it was a decent day practicing out on Cedar Creek. The wind got pretty bad in the middle of the day. We had some very interesting runs across the middle of the lake. But overall it was a decent day. Pretty much every spot that we stopped in, we either caught a decent keeper or had a decent keeper bite. So that's encouraging, but it's also kind of random and weird, so we don't really know what's going on with that. But we caught fish out in like 15 feet of water on a Carolina rig, all the way up to a foot of water on a chatterbait, on a square bill, and pretty much everything in between. So interesting day. We have a lot to think about, but we appreciate you guys watching. Definitely stay tuned. Hopefully tomorrow during the tournament we can figure them out, and then 2 weeks from now we'll be back out here for Brandon Belt. So lots of great Cedar Creek content coming, and we appreciate y'all watching this video. See you on the next one.
Here we go, at the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, ayy, on the road, here we go. Yeah, we winning by a landslide. Never see me coming, I'm a landmine. Yeah, I ain't taking orders in command.